This is the electric salt and pepper grinder set. I will take these out of the box and show you what they look like as well as how you can use these. So once you take them out of the box, this is what they look like. They're very simple and one-handed operation too, so you can just use this with one hand, making it very convenient, especially if you like grilling, if you like using these outside or having family gatherings and need to use these around a grill. Very convenient. You can store salt in one and pepper in the other one. You can also charge them from the top right here. And it has the storage base here at the bottom where you can store the salt and the pepper here in the small container. You can remove it by twisting it to the side. It also has this lock right here telling you how to lock it in place and how to open it as well. These are very convenient, very easy to use. I will add the salt and pepper in here so you can see what they look like as well. They also have the charger in the box. It comes with the charger which you can charge them, as well as the small brush that helps you clean them, to keep them clean and nicely to use. Here you'll also see this little tray which you can place them in here to keep them nicely organized, just like this. So you can put this on your table or next to your grill or anywhere you need to. You also get the instruction sheet telling you how to use them and how they work. Right here. To use them, you will just press the button right here to be able to use the salt and pepper grinder. So you'll hear the sound right here as this rotates here inside. So these automatic salt and pepper grinders have adjustable coarseness. So you can also, once you put the pepper in here, you can close it up and then you can use a spoon to put the salt in here as well. Here you can then remove the lid at the bottom, just like this, so you can use this. I will use this in a white plate so you can see how well this works. So the grinder with the pepper is charging right now. As you can see, this light turns on when it's supposed to charge. This is the grinder with the salt. You can just press. As you can see, very easy to use with one hand, and it pours out the salt in here very nicely. Just like this, it makes it a very nice and very smooth texture. And I will use the grinder with the pepper as well so you can see what this one looks like as well. So after this finishes charging, you can then see the pepper. It's very nice and convenient. It makes the pepper very soft, very small, crunches into very small pieces. Very nice to have when you're cooking out, when you're using a grill. Very convenient and very nice to use. Very simple as well.